Here we have two different sizes of the LEVOIT Air Purifier. So we have the larger standard version that we use for our basement. So that is this one, which has all the different settings on it. It has a quiet feature, auto, you can shut the lights on and off, all these different things. You can also make it faster so it filters more air. We usually just keep ours on a low setting. This will tell you the air quality if it's really bad at that time and you need to maybe run it longer, or if you don't run it all the time, maybe it'll change. But it's really a great air purifier. It does have little handles on the side, makes it easy for carrying. You can also twist this whole thing off, and it's got a big filter that you can replace on the inside. But all in all, our favorite air purifier. We've had it for a couple of years now, and I would totally buy another one if something happened to it. Then we have this littler version here. This one we actually got for our daughter for college, so she keeps it on her desk in her dorm room, and it works great in there. It doesn't bother them at all. It's not noisy at all. It's very quiet, and it takes really small filters, and they only had to change it I think once during the school year, so that wasn't a big deal either. And then this one has 3 settings, a 1, 2, and a 3. Doesn't have as many options as the big one, but it is a great little air purifier and really just helps with all the germs and dust and all the things that you get that go along with college. I would also highly suggest one of these maybe in like a baby's nursery or an office. It's great for smaller spaces, very quiet, and they're really just very well made air purifiers. So if you're looking for a new air purifier for any size area, check these out.